Hey, what's up? I'm back. I'm here at my apartment. I'm not buying anything right now because I don't know if you guys have seen the market. It's a little crazy. So I decided to do some renovations back home. Right now, I'm going to show you my cleaning routine while my place is still set up before I start packing things up. So first, I'll show you my laundry. It's cute.
So I start with my laundry so I can have loads washing while I'm tackling my other areas of my house. So I start with sorting the loads into darks, lights, and colors, and then when I go to load them into the machine, I turn anything delicate inside out along with my jeans so that they don't wear too fast. And then I just throw a pod inside and I start the washer. So next, I'll prepare to tidy any junky or messy looking areas around the house, and I'll clear off all the surfaces. I'll fold blankets. This is also a good time to make the bed or wash sheets or prepare them to be washed for the week.
I have some dirty dishes in the sink that I cleaned, so I'm going to put those away in a sec.
I'll wash my hands to start, just so my hands are clean when I'm going to put away the clean dishes. I put the clean dishes away, and then any dirty dishes that I have on the counter, I will just hand wash those. As you can see here, I do have a dishwasher, but because I didn't bring my full set of dishes to this apartment, it was just faster to wash the dishes than to use the dishwasher. So as you can see here, I don't have very many dishes when I put them away because I knew I was only going to be in this apartment temporarily. I would also take this time to clean the counters and the stovetop if I had cooked recently, if it was a bit, dirtier. But right now I'm just doing a quick tidy of extra dishes that I had lying around. I would also clean out the microwave and wipe off the doors and, maybe the fridge door and handles as well. Another load of laundry.
Whatever has dust on it, I'll dust it. And I use my Dyson. One sec. So my Dyson handheld, and this is the Dyson V8. So this is a few models back. I think they're up to 11 right now. But I got it this was available at Target, so I was desperate for one, so I just picked it up while I was there. And I have the long attachment on it with the little brush on the end. And yeah, so let me finish dusting. I dust tabletops and windows, blinds, mirrors, whatever has dust on it, I'll dust it. Dust all of the baseboards.
I'll try and start in one corner and then work my way around the room. And while I'm doing that, I'm hitting all of the doors, the door handles, the light switches, the vents, anything that gets dusty along the way. And I will tackle those in every room. So I'm starting here in the kitchen, and then I will also hit the base of the tables, chairs, anything that's like a surface near the floor and it catches dust. So for some reason, the bathroom is especially dusty, and I think the fibers from my towels kind of shed a lot. So there's always a lot of dust in this bathroom. So once I'm done with the baseboards, I'll clean off the little vacuum brush. So I'll typically hang up about 80% of my clothes. Everything except for like workout gear and stuff, I'll throw that in the dryer and towels.
I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling, cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me, but I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money, she break across real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end, wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real, cause honestly I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around, too bad I've been sticking on your mind.
Now for me, vacuum might be the most rewarding part of it.
How you taking all my time? Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand you, how you taking all.
Yeah, you can pick up all the dirt and dust in every area, in every corner, because this Dyson vac is so good at sucking up all the dirt. And then I hit all the little rugs, all the area rugs, and any mess that you see on the floor, it magically disappears with the vacuum cleaner. And this vacuum cleaner is particularly good at getting hard to reach spaces. So I can vacuum under sofas, under beds, like if you have enough space, under dressers, and it swivels and gets really low under those surfaces, so they're easy to vacuum too. You don't have to move around a lot of furniture.
We just have to tackle this bathroom. I've already cleared out the cabinets in the bathroom except for cleaning products so that I can use those to clean this one last time.
So for the bathroom, I kind of tackle each area separately. I start with the toilet, then I go to the shower or bath if you have one, and then I finish with the sink. So I spray each area with foam, let it sit for at least a minute so it can disinfect. Then I scrub it clean and then wipe it down with a clean cloth at the end. So for toilets, lots of germs there. So I use paper towels. In other areas, I just use a sponge. And then in the shower, look how dirty that door is. That's just shame. Anyway, so I kind of rinse it down because it helps to allow the foam cleanser work better. So I rinse it down first here, then I'll spray it with foam, and then I'll do the scrub. So the only thing that I didn't show is my mopping. So once all of this is done, I'll go and mop all of the hard floor surfaces. So from the kitchen to the bathroom. And it's just a super standard mop with like a microfiber on it. And sometimes I use like a mop cleaner with it or like a floor cleaner. And sometimes I just use hot water because it works well either way. And sometimes it depends on the floor. The floor cleaner could strip your floor, so you got to be careful of which ones you use. And then after I rinse it clean, I will wipe down the doors. If you have like a mirror or glass cleaner, that works well. I also will use like a cloth, like a dry cloth or paper towels to get rid of the streaks and make all the metal and the glass shiny. And the last area for today is the bathroom sink. Once again, spray foam, scrub, and rinse. It's a great formula. It works for everything. I also scrub down the mirror because it can get quite dirty from splashes, from washing hands, from brushing teeth, all the stuff you do with bathroom sink. So that gets a good cleaning as well. But that's usually how I finish my clean for the week. Sometimes I don't get to tackle every area every week, but I try my best with the energy that I have. So thanks for watching. Thanks, y'all. Peace out.